Good boy. Yes, you are. Are you a good boy? Oh, and happy, happy. Happy, happy. Yes. What a good dog. Look at you.
Where's your toy?
Where's your toy?
Where's your toy?
Where's your toy? Is it over there?
We should get it on film.
Yeah.
Tom, go get your toy. Where's your toy? Go get it. Go get your toy. Good boy. Go get it. Are you
Go get
tired?
your toy. Go
Are
get
you
your
all
toy.
tired?
Where is it? Where's that toy? Where's that toy? Do you want to play some more? Do you? Yeah, I'm not tired. Not me. I just needed somebody to play with me. Okay. All right. Go get it.
I like when he takes it back to his bed and just lays there and pauses it.
Where is it? Where is it? You had fun, didn't you? Did you have fun? Oh.
Here's being a good boy. What you got?
Good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, what do you say? Go get it. Oops. Hit you on the head. You're so silly. I won't try and toss it to you. Okay, go get it. A little bit klutzy. Oops. Are you just trying to make us laugh? Are you just trying to make us laugh? Huh? Are you? Are you trying to make me laugh?
Sit. Sit. Good, sit. Good boy. Very gentle. Down.
He's looking at the food.
Sit. Good, sit. Very handsome boy. Sit. Paw. Okay. So gentle.
He's very gentle, yeah.
Stay.